Hi sir, Doug and the crew at San Jose BMW. Just want to let you know that the technician found the problem as a quick disconnect fitting had broken, caused the catastrophic, without warning, fuel leak. So we just thought we'd let you know that. This is something that is not a bunch of time to fix, so that's good. We'll be able to have that part completed for you today. Just thought we'd give you an update so you can worry a little bit less. We hope you're having a great day, and we thank you for being our customer at San Jose BMW. Have a great rest of the day.